So I just got through with a wonderful presentation by a wonderful man named Randall. He has developed this wonderful integration of VR technology and full sensory immersion. The way he explained it was phenomenal, because I mean, most of us don't understand what this new technology is. I certainly don't. To me, I'm like, oh, I can get on my phone and Facebook. That's great. No, he showed me how to actually bring it to my residents, to immerse them out of this whole four walls that they stare at every single day. Created this wonderful atmosphere where I can do reminiscing with them, where I can do all these activities like fishing and bowling in a whole new way that I've never seen integrated in this kind of long-term care. I highly recommend to anyone him as an entertainer. He was very energetic, very engaging, and definitely kept us from, doodling on our notepads like most presentations.
All right, you ready to rock? Thank you for coming to Install in the Future.